Hello and welcome to a new episode of Techno Extreme. And in this episode, we will cover everything about Windows 11. Now, most of you must be thinking that Windows 10 was the last version of Windows according to the software giant that is Microsoft. But then now they have changed their plan. I think so. They must have changed their plan, and probably they are going to release the new version of Windows, that is Windows 11. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the features of Windows 11, means all the features of the leaked version which I know, and then we are going to wrap up this video. Tomorrow, that is on 24th of June, Microsoft has planned to do a live stream and they are going to tell us everything about the new version of Windows. Also, there is a leaked version of Windows, and based on that, I'm going to tell you about all the leaked feature of Windows 11. So let's begin this video. So now I'm trying to install Windows 11 inside VirtualBox. You can also try to install it inside VMware, but due to some reason, I don't know why, but I was unable to install it in VMware. Once you will start the installation, you will get this screen. So since I don't have a product key, I will click on this. I don't have a product key. And then you need to select the operating system that you want to install. So from here we can see that we have Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Home N, Windows 11 Home Single Language, Windows 11 Education, Windows 11 Education N, Windows 11 Pro, Windows 11 Pro N, Windows 11 Pro Education, Windows 11 Pro Education N, Windows 11 Pro for workstations, and Windows 11 Pro N for workstation. I mean, we have n number of options. So let's just try to, I'm going to install Windows 11 Pro. I don't know why, but I'll choose this option. And then I'm going to click on next. So it's similar to Windows 10 installation. We'll agree to this agreement, and then we'll choose this custom option. Click on new and then click on apply. Okay, and now again we'll click on next to start the installation process. So it's similar to that of Windows 10. And once this, I'm going to fast forward now. I'm going to I'm going to resume once this installation is done, and then I'll show you the other features. So post installation is going to ask you a few more questions, and then it's going to take you to the home screen. So this is similar to that of Windows 10. So friends, this is the home screen of Windows 11, and I can say that visually the biggest change that we'll notice, it can be found along the taskbar. They centered the app icons here and cleaned up the tray area. And also they have included a new start button and menu. So this is looking fantastic. And so there is a search icon we can see here. We can click on that. We can type anything, like I can type control panel, and it's going to show up the control panel. So this one is similar to Windows 10. I can see that the icons, they have changed the icons. And then this is task view button. We can click on it, and we can actually create a new desktop here. And what will happen, we can switch between different desktop. So if I'll add a new desktop, and suppose if I'll add if I'll launch Windows Explorer here, I can switch to my desktop 2, and then I can start working with different files and applications. So actually this is quite good for multitasking. So this is Windows widgets, and widgets. I think last time I saw widgets, it was in Windows Vista, and this is the return of widgets. And we can see that all the icons has been changed. Even if I'll open Windows Explorer, I can see that there are different icons. For me, it's looking way better than Windows 10, this part. And apart from this, if I'll go to personalize, and if I'll check themes, we can see that there are n number of new themes which is available. Mind you, I'm talking about the cosmetic changes, not about the different, internal changes that has happened. Tomorrow is Microsoft live stream event, and post that we'll again get to know about n number of new features of Windows 11. For now, these are the changes, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. To subscribe my channel and to get future notification, click on subscribe and then click on the bell icon.